How to create Instagram page. So first, go to your Instagram app and then just tap on your profile here at the bottom right, and then tap on the three lines here at the top right, then scroll down, then look for this one for professionals. Tap on this one, account type. Then we just need to switch to professional account, right? Tap on this one, then tap on next. Then here, just choose what best describes you. So I'm just going to, let's say, select digital creator, and then tap on switch to professional account. Okay, now here, just choose what type of professional are you. So choose whether you want to be a creator or a business. So I'm just going to select business here. Next. Okay, once here, you just need to review your contact info. As for me, I'm just going to select don't use my contact info. Okay, here, if you want to connect a Facebook page, you can do that. So I'm just going to skip this. Then here, you just need to set up your professional account. And then once you're done, then that's it. Alright, so if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.